another example of switch case statement where we are using a character memory variable as the input. Now within this int we have stored one single character, that is int. Now switch is accessing this character memory variable as its data source. So switch is working on a character memory variable int. Now according to the value of int, either it will print apple or it will print bag or it will print cat. So according to the alphabet, this printing will be done. Within int we have stored a. So a we can see, because it is a character type, it will be in single quote. It will not be in double quote. So now the case value also we have to write, because it is an alphabet, we have to write by single quote. So if this case value and the int case value is matching, so in this case it is matching, so this program code will print apple on the monitor. If I shall change it to B, then first of all switch n will be accepted this value, then case A is not matching, but it will come to the case B, and this time the case value B and the memory variable m, that value B is matching, so it will print back and then it will print. Similarly, if I shall give you a C, then it will be system.out.println cat and print. Default is SSCLN unknown. That means if some other alphabet I shall give other than this A to C, then it will print unknown for us. Similar thing we can write by the if else. In case of if else, we can see we have stored one character type memory variable m, within that A is stored. Now by using a simple if else structure, if m is equal to A, then system.out.println, else if m is equal to B, then is bad, else if m is equal to C is cat, else unknown. This will be done. That means that exact portion, exact matching is there ABC, so that instead of writing this if, we can write down this switch structure also.